gonna take all that stuff out of the trailer. I ain't gonna record this time. But today,
we're gonna be doing some furniture delivery. You know what I'm saying? Like, for those that didn't know, I use Thumbtack. That's how I pay for my leads. They just hit me up right now for furniture delivery, which is super easy, super easy. For those that's looking out there for jobs and stuff like that, you can download Thumbtack. I will leave the link on my description. If you use my link from Thumbtack, you'll get $50. Whatever jobs, whatever expertise you do, you post them up. And whatever you do, plumbing, handyman work, deliveries, furniture delivery, moving, anything that you do, you post it up and you pay for your leads. I got so far lawn care, landscaping, junk removal, furniture movement, furniture delivery. Yeah, I got TV mounting. Boss man, straight up. Iggy, you hear me? Hey, I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna go unload this. I'm not gonna record it this time. I'm gonna cut it short. This video is gonna be about how easy it is to make something on a daily basis. If I don't get a lead from Yelp, I get a lead from Thumbtack, or now I got Lawn Starter. Yes, sir. See you in a little bit. Unfortunately, I was so busy right now because it was hectic. Like, I was supposed to record, but you know, sometimes I don't like recording like in public places like that unless I'm asking. And we went to the furniture store to pick up this furniture, and I forgot to record it. The furniture's in the back in the tray. Hi, man. We right in the gate.
You're in the gate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my house, you should, I gave you the address, so it's literally right, I live right in front of the gate.
Okay, how can I open this gate?
Oh, you need the gate code, 4554.
Okay, 4554.
Yeah, and you can just leave it in the driveway, because my car, I tried to move my car, and it's dead. I have to pull it on the way now, so you can just leave it on the way.
What was it again? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
So we're just gonna leave it right here. There's the property right here. Hi, I just got delivery right here for these people real quick. Can I just park for 5 minutes? Okay. Hey guys, so remember, I'ma put the link on the description. If you guys sign up with Thumbtack, you're gonna get $50. Meaning you don't have to pay for no leads. They're gonna give you $50 for you to try it out. Trust me, I'm not getting sponsored by this. I'm referring you with my link. I only work with my link. Yeah, you could try to sign up with Thumbtack without a link, but you're not gonna get the $50. You understand? So I'm referring you right now to try it out. Yes, sir. Okay, so let's check it out here. Look. Right here, this is the message. This is when the first client first hit me, right? And I hit it right back as soon as possible, right? If you see here, you see how much I paid for the lead, which was $11. You see the estimate, which I charged like $125 an hour. But in this case, since I calculated the distance from my house to the furniture store, from the furniture store right back, here's all the messages that I go through on a day, every day. So I calculated from my house to the furniture store, from the furniture store to her house, it was an hour and 25 minutes, right? So I went ahead and charged her $200. She paid for it. She sent me a Cash App. I'm gonna show you guys in a screenshot. This is all my reviews, guys. This is all my reviews. It's all about reviews. If you don't get no reviews, guys, please, man, you have to ask for reviews. Every time you finish a job, ask for a review. Why? Because that's going to get you the next ticket. You feel me? That's going to get you the next job. You see? That's my business page. Look at my rank. I'm a platinum already, buddy. You hear me? I'm on the... Okay, so here's the messages. When I first got the phone number, I sent her the pictures and my business name. I sent her how... See, she sent me the address. Okay? I gave her an estimate how long it's going to take me to get over there. And then if you see, boom, she sent me $200. That was the first payment she sent me, $200. If you see here, you always got to give them a receipt. Give your customers a receipt. Not only for them, it's for your sake too. Because like that, on taxes, you could claim everything. You understand? And you have more organization. If you have a truck, a trailer, you want to do deliveries, or even if you just want to cut grass, or even if you want to assemble furniture, disassemble furniture, anything that you know how to do, you could post it on Thumbtack. Anything. You want mechanic, you can post it on Thumbtack. You want to assemble furniture for people, you want to disassemble furniture. Hey, you want to put lights, Christmas lights up, you can sign up with Thumbtack. And trust me, man, you're going to make money. From Thumbtack, it's like 70% of my revenue comes from Thumbtack. Try it out. Thumbtack is the way to go. People sometimes don't understand the app and they end up quitting or it goes bad for them. But if you follow these footsteps, it's not gonna go bad for you. You sign up, right? Follow these steps. You're gonna create a quick message, right? Why are you gonna create a quick message? When you get a lead, right? Because leads is gonna go to multiple pros, right? When you get a lead, you're gonna send them that quick message and you're gonna have to respond in less than 45 seconds, right? Soon as you respond so quick, what you gotta do is you gotta respond quick. You have to get on the phone with that person because as soon as you send the first message, they're gonna give you their phone number and their phone number never expires. Other companies' phone number only lasts for 30 days or a certain amount of time. With Thumbtack, the phone number never expires. So anyway, they're gonna give you the phone number. You call them right away. You get on the phone with those people. You get on the phone, brother. You hear me? And you book and close the deal before somebody else closes it. It's competition out here, man. But for those that say there's no way you can make money, Thumbtack is the way to go. And these people is not sponsoring me. But what I'm trying to tell you is Thumbtack right now is popping, man. Okay? Follow those 3 steps. Sign up with my link. You get $50. Do a quick message. And the 3rd step, soon as you get a lead, get on top of it, call, and close the deal. And trust me, you're gonna make money. You could do small jobs, $100 jobs. You could do big jobs, $3,000, $4,000 jobs. We don't have jobs there, $3,800 for simple landscaping, installing mulch. That's one of my favorite things. If you see my video, that 21 cubic yards of mulch, that was $3,800. I'm telling you guys, Thumbtack is the way to go. God bless you. You can't keep it unless you give it away. You hear me?